Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 19 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to festivals and holidays. As usual, we have divided the lesson into 3 sets, and they are grouped based on the difficulty of the vocabulary and on how commonly they are used. You can choose to stop at any set according to level of expertise you are looking for. Let's start off with the easy set and most commonly used vocabulary set. Christmas,
Noël,
Easter,
Pâques,
birthday,
l'anniversaire,
New Year,
le Nouvel An,
party,
la fête,
cake,
le gâteau,
gift,
le cadeau,
fireworks,
les feux d'artifice,
Halloween,
Halloween,
Thanksgiving,
l'action de grâce,
holiday,
la fête,
lantern,
la lanterne,
parade,
le défilé,
feast,
le festin,
carnival.
le carnaval.
That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Celebration,
La célébration,
Hanukkah,
Hanouka,
Ramadan,
le ramadan,
Diwali,
Diwali,
Independence Day,
la fête nationale,
Reunion,
la réunion,
Ceremony,
la cérémonie,
Tradition,
la tradition,
Costume,
le costume,
Bonfire,
le feu de joie,
Gathering,
le rassemblement,
Resolution,
la résolution,
Greeting,
la salutation,
Harvest,
la récolte,
Decoration.
la décoration.
That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the final set. Epiphany,
L'épiphanie,
Yom Kippur,
Yom Kippour,
Midsummer,
la Saint-Jean,
Solstice,
le solstice,
Equinox,
l'équinoxe,
Jubilee,
le jubilé,
Commemoration,
la commémoration,
Masquerade,
le bal masqué,
Procession,
la procession,
Advent,
l'Avent,
Anniversary,
l'anniversaire,
Remembrance,
le souvenir,
Sacrifice,
le sacrifice,
Offering,
L'offrande.
Pilgrimage.
Le pèlerinage.
Nativity.
La nativité.
Lent.
Le carême.
Communion.
La communion.
Pentecost.
La Pentecôte.
Shrove Tuesday.
Le mardi gras.
All Saints' Day.
La Toussaint.
St. Patrick's Day.
La Saint-Patrick.
Veterans Day.
Le jour des anciens combattants.
Armistice Day.
Le jour de l'armistice.
Flag Day.
Le jour du drapeau.
Mother's Day.
La fête des mères.
Father's Day.
La fête des pères.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. Excellent work and congratulations. We will meet again in the next video.